Right then guys, so gonna give a light service to the wife's Citroen C3 1.6 HDI diesel. It's absolutely grim in there, so just gonna give it a little bit of a clean up. We're only doing the oil and filter today and the air filter. Do the fuel filter next time. I think it was done the time before this, so I'm not too worried about that. Just gonna try and give it a clean up and get a little how-to of how to change your oil and air filter. Let's start by running the car up, get the oil nice and warm, so that when it comes to dropping the oil out, turn on this on. So when we drop the oil out, it's nice and thin. Try to take as much crap with it as possible. So yeah, dirty dirt, absolute runner this thing. Never lets her down. She's had it a few years. Only used her a set of brakes and bottom arms, I think. The odd tyre. Alright, so I just spent 10 minutes with a rag having a wipe around before I started because, well, it deserves it. I think it looks much better. Right, so just literally pulls off out of there, guys. And then got 1, 2, 3 T25s, I believe, possibly 30 torques. So yeah guys, 1, 2, 3 bolts, and there was one little clip holding it on, and that is air filter. Should be a bit better. Definitely ready for a new one, isn't she? So while this is apart, we got a little twist lock retainer pin that comes out of there, and then you can slide this air box back, and then I'm going to wiggle and jiggle that out because I believe the air filter housing, the oil filter housing, sorry, is under that. So yeah, as expected guys, if I bring the camera in, that there is the oil filter housing. Let's see if we can get in a bit better. So the next step is to undo that, remove the oil filter, and drop the oil out from underneath. So I've just messed around. It's a 27mm socket, guys. Straight on there. Let's pop them off. Alright, so that was relatively simple guys. Anyone could do this at home, honestly. It's really not hard. Once you've got this lead on the floor, it takes a bit of a pull, get a rag around it, pops out of there, and you've clearly got a little lug. Probably can't see that, but the little lug's got a little seating position in there. Out with the old, in with the new. Right, so there's a nice new filter. Inside the box comes with a nice new O-ring for on here as well, so we're going to rip that old one off. Chuck this new one on. So now just checking the orientation of that. Probably can't see anything, so I'm going to be in the way. And literally guys, wiggle the cap back on. Bit of old oil around the rim, which I forgot to say, I think. So get a nice seal on the new O-ring, tool back on, and wind it back in. Too fiddly to show you, so I'm going to cut the film there. And that's that all snugged on back down, ready to put the air filter in, put the pipe work back on. Service your car guys, it's easy. So that's airbox back in, lower pipe on, upper pipe on, filter in. Now just screw this back on, the top cap, put the engine cover back on, and I'm going to go underneath, drop the oil out, so I still haven't actually done that yet. So that's the top, put it back together, all cleaned up, all fresh, new filters. Drop the oil out, put some fresh in, jobs are good in. Right, so right underneath the car, big bowl looking thing, and there is the sump bolt. So you find the right size socket, undo the bolt, all the oil will come out into the bowl. So that's that draining off. Wait for her to drip dry, put the plug back in, fill it back up with oil, fire it up, make sure she don't leak anywhere. Job's a good one. Proper little service, mind. So there she is, coming to the end of her drip dry slowly. And that's that, simple as that, job done. Fill her up with oil. Right, so that's it, all done. Just gonna start the car up, let it run for a bit, turn it back off. Check the dipstick again, probably top it up a little one last time as the filter needs to fill back up or whatnot. But yeah, job done, guys. Right, so that's another job well done in my opinion. That's the Citroen together for another year for my wife. Running 10 times better actually. I actually feel the difference, quite surprising. Not even my car. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. If this video helps one person and it's done a good job at it, to be honest, like I'm not doing it for anything but to keep myself occupied, and I'm quite enjoying learning to edit and upload content. Little, well, it gives me something to do, doesn't it? It's alright, quite enjoying it. So yeah, plenty more to come from me guys. Once my car repairs are a bit more up together, I'm gonna seriously be looking at some mods. Yeah, map the shit out of it and that, let's be real, it's time to get it going really, innit? So yeah, thanks for watching guys, have a good weekend, take it steady.